In this video, I'm going to show you how to give stars in Adobe Bridge. Now, the easiest way to do this is as follows. You simply want to select the image you want to give stars to, and then you want to hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and then you want to press together with your Control key either 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 on your keyboard, okay? So whenever you do this, it's going to basically give the image either 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 stars. If you want to reset it and if you want to give it no stars, hold down the Control key and click on 0 on your keyboard, and there we go. That's going to assign it the amount of stars. So if I go, for example, if I give this one Control and 2, there we go, it has 2 stars. Control and 3, this one has 3. Control and 4, this one now has 4. This has 1, this has 5, etc. Okay? So that's how to give stars in Adobe Bridge. Super simple. Just click on the image, Control button on your keyboard, and together with the Control button, press numbers from 1 to 5, and then 0 if you want to remove them. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.